everyone! Welcome back to Skincare Blends Inside Out. I'm KK, and today we have a topic that's been buzzing in the beauty world, using hyaluronic acid serum on our lips. If you've ever wondered about the benefits and how to properly incorporate it into your skincare routine, you're in the right place. But before we dive in, if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you never miss out on our beauty and skincare tips. Now let's get started. Hyaluronic acid, a gem in the beauty industry, is famed for its hydrating abilities. This video unveils how to harness this powerful ingredient for luscious, healthy lips. Let's begin with what hyaluronic acid is. It's a naturally occurring substance in the body that promotes hydration and creates fullness. As we age, its levels drop, leading to dryness and lines. That's where hyaluronic acid serum comes in. The serum, packed with this moisture-binding ingredient, replenishes lost hydration. It not only moisturizes, but also locks in the moisture, ensuring your lips stay plump and hydrated for longer. Regular use of hyaluronic acid serum can lead to noticeable changes. It can smooth out fine lines, impart a youthful appearance, and give your lips a supple, plump look. It's a secret to naturally fuller lips. Using hyaluronic acid serum on your lips is simple. You can apply it directly to your lips or mix it with your favorite lip balm or lipstick. It's a versatile product that blends well with other lip care products. Let's address the safety concerns. Hyaluronic acid is a natural component of the skin, making it safe for most people. However, as with any product, it's crucial to patch test it first. Hyaluronic acid serum is a beauty staple, but why on lips? The skin on our lips is thinner than elsewhere on the body, making it well suited for this ultra-hydrating serum. It's an instant antidote to dry, chapped lips. You might wonder when to apply it. It's best used at night, as this is when the skin's natural repair process kicks in. Applying it before bed allows your lips to soak up the benefits overnight. The results speak for themselves. You'll wake up to softer, smoother lips. With continued use, you'll notice a natural fullness and a reduction in fine lines. Hyaluronic acid serum isn't just for mature skin. If you're in your 20s, you can still benefit from its hydrating properties. It's a proactive step in maintaining lip health and preventing premature aging. The beauty of hyaluronic acid serum is its universal appeal. Whether you're battling dryness, fine lines, or simply want plumper lips, this serum can help. It's a holistic approach to lip care that anyone can adopt. And there you have it, the lowdown on using hyaluronic acid serum on your lips. If you enjoyed this video or found it helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow beauty enthusiasts. If you have any questions or if there's a topic you'd like us to cover in the future, leave a comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already and hit that notification bell so you stay in the loop with all things skincare and beauty. Until next time, take care of your beautiful selves. Bye for now.